In this video, I will be telling you how to remove my AI on the Snapchat Android. For that, the process is very simple and easy. I will be showing you exactly how you guys can do it. So what you have to do is to make sure that your Snapchat application is running on the latest version. For that, head up the Snapchat Play Store and search Snapchat in it. So simply type in Snapchat and make sure that there is no pending update available. If there is any updates, simply go ahead and install that update and then restart the application. Once you do that, simply go ahead and go to your chat option, and in the chat option simply search for the AI. So what you have to do is go to the settings. In the settings, simply swipe it down and you will see that there will be an option to clear my AI data. Simply click on that and you will be able to clear all my AI data related to AI in your Snapchat. So this is that simple. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.